I just heard the walkie-talkie. Channel 20.
Radio check. This is Atlanta Side 0, WRMR 367. You're kind of staticky. I didn't check your TAC number there, but I can copy you. You're just staticky. 750, this is 555. Let me try a different antenna. I'm on a handheld and trying to see if I can get the repeater. Hang on 1 minute.
They're doing something.
Atlanta 420 WRFS 771.
Q420.
Let him know that, he's got a little white noise in the background, but he's fully readable there. Hopefully, he'll come into the net radio meeting tonight there and enjoy talking with other members there. Atlanta 420 WRFS 771 clear.
CSX Q420, the 750.
Atlanta 420, this is Atlanta 555. I just switched antennas. Does that help my signal at all? You're still fully readable, but you do have just some white noise in the background there. But again, you're fully readable, but you're making the repeater there. So. That sounds good. At least I know I can get in for the tonight. I appreciate it. This is WRJA 32 on Atlanta 555, and I'm clear. I'll be clear and marking.
I think they're gonna have a meeting with 3 trains, I think. Cause I'm sure over here I think there's a train about to pass by. I'm not sure if they're already done with the meeting or they're trying to get in the other Q train.